Science facts with marbles.
Dance.
Science facts with marbles. Hey, hey.
Hey kids, Professor Marbles here with another incredible 5 science facts. Yippee! Bless you.
That was awkward.
Saturn has the most moons. I wonder how many.
Moonbatlas.com. The planet with the most moons is Jupiter.
That's not true. This says Saturn.
Are you sure about that?
I wonder how many moons Saturn has. Saturn has 83 moons. Jupiter has how many moons? Oh. Breaking news! Jupiter has between 80 and 92 moons. So, Jupiter, when you make up your mind, you let me know, okay? Let's see if this actually has a list of the names of the moons. It does. I don't know how to pronounce a lot of these, so here we go. There is Aegon, Ager, Albiorix, Alvaldi, Angerboda, Anth, Atlas, I know that word, Bebhion, Belly, oh, it's my dog, Belly, Bergelmere, Besla, Calypso, Daphnis, Dion, Egther,
One eternity later.
Telesto, Tethys, Thiazi, Thrymer, Titan, and Emer. Those are all the moons of Saturn. It's been a day. Thanks for watching, kids. Remember to always look for the science around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with more science facts.